I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you can access the Telegram account and the phone number. Once done, open Telegram and go to Settings. Do this on a device where you are already logged in. You need the current two-step password or the recovery email code to proceed. If you do not have either, halt here and check Recovery Options. Now tap Privacy and Security to reveal the two-step verification menu so you can begin disabling the feature. You will see the two-step verification screen. Tap it and select Change Password or Disable Password. Enter the exact current password. This authenticates you and allows removal. Once Telegram verifies the password, choose Disable or Remove two-step verification and confirm the action. If you configured a recovery email earlier and forgot the password, request the reset code to set a new password first, then immediately disable. Make sure you finish by confirming the two-step verification status reads Disabled in Settings. Log out and back in to verify behavior. If you cannot provide the password and you did not set a recovery email, you cannot remove two-step verification. Telegram does not offer emergency bypass. In that case, consider exporting data and deleting the account to start over, or use the recovery email. Check spam to reset the password, then immediately disable. If issues persist, retry on another logged-in device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.